Hello everyone. I'm excited to try this special Liege waffle mix by the Arne Clark brand. I read that in Belgium there are two popular types of waffles. Regular Belgian waffles that we are familiar with in the States, that Belgians refer to as Brussels. And then there are Liege waffles that are similar to the Belgian Brussels waffles, but have a more crunchy caramelized exterior and a chewier interior. This happens because of the special pearl sugar that gets mixed into the dough. Both Belgian and Liege waffles are made with a yeast batter. Arne Clark makes it very easy for us to assemble, mix and rise our waffle dough, and then we just cook them in a traditional waffle maker. Her Liege waffle mix has great ingredients and all we need to add in is water, eggs and butter. The waffle directions indicate using a stand mixer, but since the mixing only requires a 2-minute mix and then a 3-minute mix, I'm going to use my hand mixer. I empty the dry mix and the included yeast packet into a medium-sized bowl. I then add in half a cup of heated water along with 2 large eggs. I use my cooking thermometer to ensure the water temp is between 120 and 130 degrees Fahrenheit. I use my hand mixer with my dough hook attachments and combine the ingredients, mixing for about 2 minutes. I then melt 2 sticks of butter and ensure it is cooled to around 120 degrees Fahrenheit before I add it into my bowl and continue to mix for about 3 minutes. You'll know you're done mixing when the dough is smooth and starts to pull away from the bowl. I then cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rest for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. During this time, the dough should double in size. There it is. We're ready for our final step before we cook our Liege waffles. I'm so excited. I then add in the pearl sugar balls and stir until they appear evenly distributed. I then divide the batter into 3-ounce balls and place on a baking dish dusted with flour. I then cover with plastic wrap and let them rest for 15 more minutes. We then will preheat our Belgian-style waffle maker, and I'll brush both sides with oil. I place a Liege waffle dough ball in the center. Close the lid and cook each one for 3 minutes. There it is. You'll notice that the sugar pearls don't completely melt, and that's on purpose and adds a delicious crunch. We then add on more oil and proceed to cook the next dough ball. These Liege waffles are an absolutely delicious treat for Sunday breakfast or brunch or as a special dessert after a great holiday meal. I think this Belgian Liege waffle mix would also make a great gift. Place it in a gift basket with other specialty food items. Some people serve with powdered sugar, but these would also be great with fresh fruit and whipped cream. If you have any leftovers, you can wrap them in plastic wrap and refrigerate or freeze them. Then toast them up and enjoy. These were a huge hit in our family, so I hope you will try them. Ta-ta for now.